Tried 5 different online businesses and still stuck. I've been there. The truth. Most people don't choose the wrong niche. They skip the steps to find the right one. Think of your industry like a treasure map. Instead of randomly picking a product, zoom out. My friend Olivia thought she'd sell yoga mats until she explored the fitness value chain. A gives manufacturers, trainers, app developers. She found gold with yoga programs for busy moms, less competition, high demand. She went from $3,000 to $10,000 a month doing that. Want profit. Play detective. My friend Liam wanted a pet shop, but the numbers told a different story. Gives pet shops equals 15% profit. Gives mobile pet grooming equals 60% profit. Gives pet health apps equals 70% plus profit. He chose mobile grooming. Now, $10K month in a mid-sized city. This is where dreamers fail. I once tried selling tech gadgets. Looked great on paper, but returns, shipping, and support, nightmare. So I pivoted. I now teach tech skills online. Higher profit, no inventory. Here's what I wish I knew earlier. Go where people already spend money. Solve a problem people care about now. Pick something you can do for years. Start small, scale smart. Asterisk pet care, $500, $15,000 per month health. $3,000, $20,000 month tech education. $2,000 money, $5,000 month home services. $3 got $15,000 month. The profits are there. If you map, trace, and test your way in. Still searching for your perfect niche? Start by mapping your industry. Don't guess, investigate. For a full strategy and tools to validate your niche, check the link below.